Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to upload your Excel in Google Sheet. Okay, you can upload your computer or your device Excel sheet to Google Sheet. So I will show in this video tutorial. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, first come to the Google and log in with your email ID. Okay, and now just click on it and go to the drive. Okay, you can go directly to drive. So I just show you in each from starting, so it will be help to everyone. So guys, let okay, come to the Google Drive and you have to log in with the email ID, and here you can use the Google Sheet. Okay, so Google Sheet is an application, and whatever you open when you use Google Sheet, it will be download save in Google Drive only. So Google Drive basically the free space from Google, which we can use up to 15 GB. Here we can upload the folder, we can upload the files like JPG, Excel sheet, and we create the new sheets from here. Okay, so in Google Drive you will have that Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slide, Google Form. This is the application which connected to Google Drive, and whenever you open or create any files or docs or slides, so it will be saved in Google Drive only. Okay, so now if you want to upload your computer Excel sheet to Google Sheets, so simply you have to come to the new and go to the file upload. Okay, click on file upload, and now the you have to select the file from your computer. So let me select file from here. Okay, so select file from your computer. I don't have file Excel sheet here, so you have to find Excel sheet from your computer. So I just upload the Google Word file, so Microsoft Word file, and just click on open, so it will be upload here. So this is your file, it is uploaded. You can check file which is uploaded in recent tab. In recent tab you will see this file has been uploaded, or you can search from here. Okay, if you want to search spreadsheet, go to the search and go to the spreadsheet. You will find the all Excel sheet which uploaded to Google spreadsheet. Now from here you can upload open your uploaded sheet, just double click on it, then in another new tab it will be open, so it will be now Google Sheet. You can update and it will be saved directly to Google Drive automatically. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.